Hey Garden Dreamers, happy November. I'm in El Paso, Texas. It's zone 8A. And last year on November 5th, same day as today, I planted daffodils and they were so pretty by March. So of course I bought 100 more this year and I'm gonna plant them right here along this bed. I didn't know that there was other daffodil colors. I thought they were just yellow, but I ordered some other colors and I'm gonna spread them out because last year I just put it right here along the edge of this flower bed. So I'm going to plant them kind of sporadically all over and I'll show you how I do it. And I'll show you pictures of what they looked like last year and why I was so in love. And it's pretty easy. I planted hyacinths and tulips before and they do well the first year, but I feel like they don't do well the second year, so I've kind of given up on hyacinths and tulips especially. Hyacinths still kind of come back in my backyard garden, like maybe 3 or 4 come back and look okay, but I feel like daffodils will continue to come back because before I put the row of daffodils, I had put a couple the year before that, 2 years ago, and they came back very nicely. So that's why, yes, last year I planted more and they came out so pretty. So this year we're planting even more. Anyway, let's do this. So last year my husband bought me this contraption. I don't know what it's called, but you connect it to here and it's just easier to dig holes instead of me doing it one by one. I can't do 100 holes. I mean, I can, but it would hurt my wrist. So I'm gonna dig the holes with this, 100. And I thought by this time, all of this would be dead because it all dies down to nothing in the winter. But since it's still here, I'm gonna have to like work around it, and it actually works out better. That way I can put the holes where there's no plant coming out. And you're supposed to plant them 6 inches deep. And this little what is it called? Trowel? I don't know what this is called. Hand shovel is about 5 inches. So if I put that in there, it's about 6 inches deep right there. So it looks like I'm still going to have to use this to dig out some of the dirt that the machine makes the hole at. Okay, so I've dug out just 7 holes right here, and I'm gonna put some of the bone meal in each of the holes, just a little bit. I'll add some more later, and I'll put compost on top. And you're supposed to put them with the pointy side up and the roots down, and just throw them in there. Okay, I'm done. Not gonna lie, that was exhausting. I did about 75 and then my husband did the last 25 holes. That was tiring. But again, I dug a hole, put some bone meal, put the bulb, and then put some compost in the hole. And it was about 6 inches deep, more or less. I did the same thing with the daffodils last year and they grew really nice. And like I said, I put blood meal in those daffodils and I later read not to, but they came out fine. They were beautiful. So I can't wait until March because did I mention before, all of these, like the lantanas, marigolds, all the randoms that I have growing right here are going to die in the winter. So by March, when these pop up, this will be bare, and then the daffodils will pop up and it'll look really nice. And I plan to put more lantanas to fill this whole thing with lantanas. And I don't know why I've killed like 3 other ones, like an orange, like a bubblegum color, or pink with yellow have died here, and like another red one has died. I think like, and then a yellow one has died. So yeah, I've killed like 3. I don't know why, but the purple ones are doing okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check in March to see how they look. I'll put a little video in the description below so you could see what the results are. Thanks for watching.